In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Google Calendar with Calendly, making scheduling a breeze and ensuring your appointments sync seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your Calendly account. This is your central hub for managing appointments and making sure everything runs smoothly. Once you're logged in, we need to head over to the Integrations and Apps section. This is where the magic happens, as it allows us to connect Calendly with other tools you use daily. Once in the Integrations and Apps section, take a look around and you'll see Google Calendar listed there. Google Calendar is a very popular choice for managing events, and linking it with Calendly can significantly enhance your ability to coordinate schedules and avoid double bookings. Click on the Google Calendar icon to get started. When you open Google Calendar within the Integrations menu, you'll notice an option to connect. Click on the Connect button, and you'll be directed to a page to sign into your Google account. This step ensures that Calendly has permission to access your calendar, keeping everything up to date and streamlined. If you've connected it before, simply ensure you're logged into the correct Google account associated with your calendar. Once you're signed in, your Google Calendar is now successfully linked with Calendly. This integration allows you to automatically book meetings from Calendly that appear directly in your Google Calendar, which is incredibly convenient and time-saving. Now, let's see this integration in action by booking an appointment. Let's try doing that by heading back to Calendly. Imagine you want to set up a meeting for later today. As an example, we'll book this meeting for 11 p.m. So find the time slot, click it, and you'll be prompted to enter some basic details. Go ahead and insert the name and email address of the person you're meeting with. Once you've filled that out, press Schedule Event, and voila, your meeting is scheduled. Now that you've set up the meeting, it's time to check our work. Let's go over to your Google Calendar and ensure everything is syncing correctly. Open up your calendar and look for the appointment you just scheduled. There it is. Your meeting is now visible, confirmed for 11 p.m., and perfectly synced, thanks to the power of integration. And there you have it. Your Calendly and Google Calendar are now working in harmony, making sure you never miss a beat. This integration will surely help manage your time more efficiently, offering you peace of mind that your schedule is always up to date. Thanks for joining today, and happy scheduling.